Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the home of next-level car reviews, future car reveals, and everything happening in the automotive world. If you love cars with style, performance, and cutting-edge tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. Because today, we're talking about something that nobody expected: Range Rover's first-ever sedan for 2026. And trust me, this one is about to shock the entire luxury market, so yes, it's finally happening. Range Rover, the king of SUVs, is stepping into the world of luxury sedans. And not just any sedan, a flagship model designed to challenge the Mercedes S-Class, BMW 7 Series, and even the Rolls-Royce Ghost. This is the boldest move Range Rover has made in decades. The new 2026 Range Rover Sedan is built on a brand new ultra-luxury platform, and the design is absolutely stunning. Imagine the signature Range Rover front grille, the floating roof design, and those clean LED bars, but all blended into a long, sleek sedan shape. It looks modern, futuristic, and super premium. Many people online are already calling it the S-Class killer. Under the hood, Range Rover is offering two choices: a twin-turbo V8 with around 600 horsepower, and a fully electric version with nearly 700 horsepower and over 500 miles of driving range. This is serious power, the kind you normally see in top-tier performance sedans. And now, let's talk about the interior, because this is where Range Rover is shocking everyone. The cabin looks like a private jet lounge. The dashboard is completely redesigned with a massive curved OLED display, an AI-powered voice assistant, and one of the most premium audio systems ever put into a car. The rear seats? They fully recline, massage, and even include a built-in mini fridge and executive fold-out tables. And because Range Rover is known for comfort, this sedan features their new Magic Ride suspension, which uses sensors to scan the road and adjust the suspension every millisecond. The result? The car literally floats on the road. No vibrations. No harsh bumps. Just pure luxury. One of the biggest surprises is the pricing. Unlike the usual Range Rover lineup, this sedan starts from around $130,000, which puts it right in the heart of the luxury segment. But with this design, tech, and performance, many experts are saying it might actually be underpriced. This move into the sedan market tells us one thing: Range Rover is planning to dominate not just SUVs, but the entire luxury category. And honestly, after seeing how bold and futuristic this 2026 sedan is, they might actually pull it off. So what do you think? Should Range Rover even be making a sedan, or should they stick to SUVs? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Drive Hub for more future car reveals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.